Hi, so my name is Bethany Latham, and I'm going to be doing my manipulative video on adding with regrouping using manipulatives. And I don't have any of those really cool little blocks that a lot of people have in their videos, but I'm going to be using these little Pokemon chips that I got out of a game, so I think that would be pretty neat. So the first problem that we're going to do is 16 plus 4. And right now I've got our 10s and our 1s columns out here. So with 16, we know we're going to be using a 10. So over here we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going to keep all these together to make sure that the kids know that this is a 10. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our 6 over our 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So after our 6, we're going to look at the 4 that needs to be added. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we completely filled our 1s column, which actually equals a 10. So we're going to move these over to our 10s column. And then they'll be able to see that we have 2 10s. So 10 plus 10, if you want to go through and count each one, will end up equaling 20. Okay, so I'm going to clear our manipulatives. And the next problem that we're going to be looking at is 12 plus 9. So we're going to start with our 12, and we're going to know that 12 is going to have a 10. So we're going to put our 10 back out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then we're going to go through like we did before and use our 2 over our 1s. So 1, 2, and after our 2 we'll look at our 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So again, we filled up an entire column of our 1s, which is going to equal a 10. So we're going to move that over to our 10s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So again, we have got 2 10s over here. And we know that 10 plus 10 is going to be 20, but we'll still have our 1 remaining over here. So 10 plus 10 is 20, and then 1 more is going to be 21. So we'll put this here. Going to go ahead and clear our board again. So the last problem I have today that we're going to look at is a little bit more difficult, and it's going to be 24 plus 8. So obviously we have been talking about, 2 10s equaling the 20. So 24, we're going to have 2 10s over in our 10s column. So we'll go ahead and put those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we're going to go ahead and put our second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we've got our 2 10s, which is going to equal 20. So the next thing we're going to look at is our 4. We need to put that over in our 1s. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And next we're going to look at our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So again, we filled up our entire ones column, which is going to equal another 10. So we're going to move this over to our tens column. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we have got 3 tens in our tens column. So we're going to do 10 plus 10 is going to be 20, and plus another 10 is going to be 30. And they can go through and count these individually if they need to, but we know we've got our 30, and then we're going to look over our ones, and we have 2 left in our ones. So 30 plus 2 is going to be 32. So we'll write that in under 24 plus 8. And that is all I have for you today for adding with regrouping using manipulatives.